way. Get way.
Yeah.
I brought your food.
Oh, nice. Oh, put it there for me, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Please make sure you eat it fast.
Yeah, I don't, 1 minute, just a minute, okay? I don't understand something, and I just want to know whether you love me or not, because I don't understand why you keep on sleeping with me every day, any day. Why?
Are you serious at all? Oh, me sleeping with you, Gateway?
Oh yes, every day. Why would you do that? Because still I don't understand.
Why can't you be serious even in a moment?
I don't, but I am serious. Hey. Even last night, you hung my leg on top of my bed like this, and you boom.
Shut up, boss is in the room.
And so, does that care? Even when I wake up now, I saw that I have urinated a milk.
What? You mean you come on yourself?
You said, where did I come to?
I'm talking about ejaculation here.
You mad? What is ejaculating?
Okay, me boy. What pay?
Yeah, me pay. But the way you have sex with me, the way you sleep with me, no, it makes
Shut
me.
Shut up. Please. Stay away from me. I don't like that. Listen, the very next time you approach me with all this unnecessary talk, you wouldn't take it on a silver platter. Do you understand?
Then you to stay away from me in my dreams.
Are you okay?
A straight girl. Stop that.
You need to be careful.
You too, you need to be careful. I hate that. If you want to sleep with me, come physical. And let's see who is man.
You are not correct. If you don't take care, you will see.
What will you do?
Let me hear you, Eddie. When you say
please,
make sure you wash the plates after eating.
Then, you for stop that. I hate that spiritual thing. As for me, I do my thing in physical always. How can you come into my dream and sleep with me anytime and basa anyhow? This girl, I for chop her physical. Because if not that, she is correcting my title.
Sugim. Yes, ma'am. So, where's my husband?
He also left immediately you people left.
Oh, okay. So, what did you cook for dinner?
Ma, he said today he's going to buy pizza for supper, so I shouldn't prepare anything.
Pizza?
Yes, ma'am.
This brother of yours.
You've still not gotten used to him yet.
Well, he never ceases to surprise me.
Nothing of his surprises me.
Well, so since we are waiting for the pizza, can you join us so we can have a girl talk?
Okay, Mama,
let's go.
Sugim. Yes, ma'am.
Sugim.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is that? Oh!
Gateway, open the gate.
Okay, I'll open it. Open gate.
It's Chelsea.
Yeah, she's there. Will it? Tears of joy.
Diamond! Sit! Diamond! Oh, what is it? Did somebody hurt you out there? What? This can't be good. What happened?
The accountant asked me to take over his office when he was going out for lunch. When he came, I went back to my office. He later came back to me and accused me of taking 5,000 Ghana cedis from his office. He reported me to the manager and they have terminated my appointment.
What impudence! Our mommy never taught us how to steal. And in fact, I've never seen such acts before. Oh, Diamond. Did you take it?
Chelsea! I swear it. Why will I do such a thing like that?
It is fine. It is okay. Relax. Relax. Let's go inside. Let me find something for you. Let's go.
I can't believe this. I don't even know what I'm going to do now.
No, just have a sit. Just sit down. Sugar.
Yes, ma'am.
So you want to tell me you didn't cook dinner and you didn't go out?
Ma, I got nowhere to go.
You don't have a boyfriend?
No, ma, I don't.
Are you serious?
Yes, ma. Ma.
Are you still a virgin?
No, ma. But I'm just not interested in men nowadays.
This guy won't kill you.
So, do you take care of your own business?
Business? Ma, what business?
What do you do when you're honey?
I do nothing.
Suge, you don't even catch yourself as a woman.
Ma, I do. Sometimes, but not always.
But you do?
Yes, ma, I do.
Oh, Maya, I'm not your mom.
Okay, ma. Sorry, Auntie Maya.
Just Maya.
Okay, ma. It's a habit, ma. Sorry, Auntie Maya.
Just leave the girl alone. You want to join us?
This is very unusual.
Kofi, what is unusual is you letting us eat pizza for dinner.
Sugar was tired, so I decided to let her rest today.
Tired.
Well, sometimes a girl needs some rest.
Okay, that's true. Okay, so are we going to eat the pizza or you're going to let it get started?
Why not? I bought it for you guys.
Ade, which pizza?
Oh, I'm very okay. Trust me, I'm okay.
Girls, come over.
So then,
Yes, sir.
come on. Let's get it.
Diamond, when I came back from my trip last night, my wife told me everything that happened to you at your workplace. All I can say is that forget about everything, every embarrassment that your company put you through. Such is life. Sometimes it's full of surprises. You get it? Just move on. Yeah. Your sister and I have already agreed that you come join us and stay with us until you get a new job.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Oh my God! Thank you, and God bless you.
You're welcome.
So how was your trip?
Oh, it was great. Thanks much for that.
Can somebody eat the food before it gets cold?
What?
Sorry, please, do you care for anything?
No, thank you.
Okay.
So when should I move in?
Yeah, you can move in just this weekend so that your sister and I can really help in bringing your luggage.
Like seriously? Once again, thank you so much, and God bless both of you.
Appreciate it. No, I like that thing you did last time. Alright. You just took me to
Stop! When you stop. Honey? Sweetheart.
Honey.
Once again, I want to thank you for whatever you've been doing for my sister. I really do appreciate it.
Oh, no need to mention that. Your family is my family. So, anything at all for you.
Thank you. But honey, this weekend I can't help her out get her luggages in here. I really have to go to work to get my assignment done. Kindly help her out since you're always less busy on weekends.
Alright, I'll do that.
Thank you.
Good.
Love you.
Oh, thank you. Don't worry. And where is Kiki?
Please, he was sent by Madam about 30 minutes ago.
Alright, I see.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. As you can see, today I officially welcome you to my humble abode.
Thank you very much, Alvin.
Oh, you don't need to mention that. And you know what? I'm not letting you use the guest room.
Really?
Oh yeah. I've officially prepared one of the executives' room for you.
Wow. Thank you so much, brother-in-law.
Alright. Follow up.
Okay.
she's sick, so I got her some medicine. She has been vomiting since morning. She needed help, so I got to help her. Did my wife tell you when she'll be coming? Should we get an ambulance for her? Where are you going?
I'm going to see her if she's pregnant.
How can she be pregnant? Someone is sick and you are insinuating pregnancy. What sort of nonsense is this?
Ah, Kofi. Are you okay?
What kind of question is this?
I asked you a question. What's wrong? Let me...
No, can't you understand this?
I'm a lady. At least I might know what's wrong with her. So let me check up on her.
No, can't you understand this? I said she's sick and she's resting.
Okay, fine. I'll check up on her later.
You calling me sister again?
You know I can't call you Diamond without adding sister to it. But if you insist, I'll try. But you know, please, let bygone be bygone. You see, sometimes life is not smooth for all of us. Kindly don't let whatever happen at your workplace eat you up to destroy your future. I know one day things will turn around.
Yeah, sure. I'm okay now. I really appreciate everything you and your husband are doing for me. Thanks much.
You're welcome. Feel free as you've moved in permanently. Your house too.
Alright.
Okay, let's get ready for the appointment. I'll see. Have a nice day.
You too. Shake it, girl. Ooh. The Wi-Fi is what? It's not working. I don't know why. I have to update my snappers. Your food is here. Whoa. I'm starving. That's why. Again, have you taken your medicine?
What medicine, Natalie?
The one Kofi bought you. He said you were not feeling well in the morning and then he went to buy you medicine.
Yes, I took it.
Are you sick?
No, ma. I mean, yes, ma. But it's nothing.
Are you sure it's nothing?
Yes, ma.
But, never mind. Make sure you take your medicine before you go to bed.
Okay, Auntie.
Okay, you can leave now.
Thank you.
She doesn't look sick, does she?
But I'm sure.
You're sure? She's sick.
Fine. Listen, brother. I don't want to be the one to destroy your marriage. Here is my proposal. You are going to do anything that I say. Agreed?
Maya, are you trying to blackmail me?
I am trying to keep my mouth shut.